Daily Animated Text. Good morning to all those who love Jehovah God, to this spiritual breakfast. Topic for today is
How to strengthen unity.
And the daily text that we will analyze today is
John 17:20 and 21 reads,
I make request that they may all be one.
Jesus was concerned about unity during his final supper with his apostles. When praying with them, he spoke of his desire that all his disciples be one, just as he and his Father are one. John 17:20 and 21 reads,
I make request not concerning these only, but also concerning those putting faith in me through their word, so that they may all be one, just as you, Father, are in union with me, and I am in union with you, that they also may be in union with us, so that the world may believe that you sent me.
How are we personally involved in contributing to this unity? By being peacemakers. Each time we take the initiative to promote peaceful relations with others in the congregation, we add to the beauty of the spiritual paradise. We keep in mind that Jehovah has drawn each of the inhabitants of the spiritual paradise to pure worship. Imagine how happy Jehovah must be when he sees us working hard to strengthen the peace and unity among those whom he views as precious, his servants. How can we benefit to the full from the blessings that we receive as God's servants? We can think deeply about what we study in God's Word and in our Bible-based publications. Such study and meditation will help us to cultivate Christian qualities that move us to show brotherly love and tender affection for one another in the congregation. Romans 12:10.
Daily text lessons.
How would you answer?
What can you do to promote unity? Rather than focusing on the imperfections of others, look for their good qualities. Instead of associating with only those who share your interests, try to get to know brothers and sisters who come from different backgrounds. We can also work hard to root out any feelings of prejudice we may have.
And remember, we'll see you tomorrow.